other thing. The good news. This good news being the Son of God and the gift he brought with him long ago. We as a youth thought it would be fitting to briefly share with you the history of how the gospel made it to Samoa. The Reverend John Williams was a missionary charged with the responsibility of bringing the islands of Polynesia to God. On this mission, he passed through the island of Samoa, where he and Malia Toavaitu both worked to convert the people of the island. Through hardship and accomplishment, he was able to fully realize his mission in making sure they knew God and the love of his Son, Jesus Christ. These songs we bring to you are a representation of the work John Williams and the islands of Polynesia did together to spread the good news. It ensures that through generation and generation, we know the Lord, and we can be confident saying he knows us.